Hi, this is Mike of Mike's 2022 Harley. A lot of people have asked, Mike, how do you jumpstart a dead battery on a motorcycle? Well, I carry one of these in my saddlebags. This is called a portable power plant or a jump box. A lot of different names, but it's easy to use. I keep it charged, and then when I need it, I hook the battery cables into the jump box. On a Harley, it's easy to jump. All you have to do is put the positive cable onto the starter and the negative cable on any ground, and it's ready to jump. If you don't have an external connection, like on a Harley, you can simply put these on your battery, and it works the same way. One last resort, you can find a hill, put the ignition switch on, coast down the hill. About halfway down, you can pop the clutch, preferably in second gear, so you don't lock things up, and hope the bike starts. If it doesn't start, it's going to be a long, hard push back up the top of that hill. That's why I suggest you have a jump box. If you're interested in this jump box, please see our link below. Remember, if you use our links, it helps this channel a lot. The name of our channel is Mike's 2022 Harley Motorcycle, but you don't have to own a Harley to view this channel. We're here for everyday problems for all motorcycles. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more solutions. This is Mike saying, ride safe, be safe, stay safe. Bye-bye. Jump box is easy to use. Just take the connectors, plug them into the jump box, and take the connectors, put one connector on ground, which is black, red, which is the starter, and it's ready to go. Just turn the jump box on and start the bike. Remember, if you don't have an external connection like this, put these right on the battery itself, and it's still easy to use.